I'm the CTO for Keyloop. Keyloop is a automotive retail in the automotive retail industry. The easiest way to think about it is CRM and ERP systems in the automotive industry. Everything that's related from early stages of finding leads for selling a car, selling the car, servicing the car, and creating the loyalty of the customer to use the car and then buy another car. Keyloop is a curve out from a global other company in the US. Our market is mainly in Europe, the UK. That's the majority of the market. Our company is a leader in this space, but in terms of technology, we have a lot of legacy systems, a lot of challenges of being innovative and innovate fast. It's pretty clear that where we are today, the value of the systems needs to be a little bit more than just providing the screens and the workflow management. The question is always, how do you add the additional value that is not necessarily straightforward through additional screens? It's more about how do you make the system smarter? How do you make the system more predictive? How do you start to inject concepts like AI, machine learning into the systems to save some work, to get more efficiency for the consumer of the application? When you get into these more complex problems, you start to look around, and we got very good references about Tribe with the cooperation with Francisco Partners, and we thought that this would be like a good example of something that we can start as a starting point that we can examine together to see if we can build something around it. Sitting together, understanding the domain problem, understanding that it's not necessarily the classical AI use case that maybe we thought in the beginning, but applying, again, very smart people to solve an interesting problem. And the journey since then was really successful. And so I think that there is a lot of hype, justified hype from my perspective around AI and the impact that it can bring in any point, right? In anything that you essentially do. I'm a big believer of bringing some of this expertise from the outside. I think that through bringing this expertise from the outside, first of all, you accelerate your delivery timelines, but through that, you're also able to educate and to bring some of this knowledge inside the house, right? Everything today is about speed and acceleration, and what is the fastest way to get you from point A to point B. Doing that by yourself, learning and educating the team will get you there, but probably slower. So my preference is to find the shortest way to get into a successful outcome. So when we started to talk with people, like people in Tribe, I think that this is when you have this aha moment, when you understand, it's much deeper, it's much more complex. It will take me a while to get to this point where I can actually do something helpful with using this technology. So I think that when you talk with experts, only then you realize that you don't know what you don't know, right? And Tribe definitely gave me this feeling in a very positive way, right? They were supportive, they explained, they showed the art of the possible. So the good cooperation, good partnership, very open dialogue, smart people that you can collaborate with, and eventually that are also able to bring results, a working system, working POC that we can incorporate into the product.